रेयरली, बहुत कम ऐसे लगता है मुझे जैसे कि स्क्रिप्ट की शायद जरूरत नहीं थी या फिर इतनी बखूबी से सारे डायलॉग्स मारे हैं और the movement, it was like a symphony watching all of them in action. So first of all, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank
एक
you,
एक करके
Salil.
नो सर पहली बार हम
Thank
मिले
you.
हैं, बड़े दिनों बाद मिले हैं और आई एम अ ह्यूज फैन ऑफ योर परफॉर्मेंस.
थैंक यू.
एफर्टलेस परफॉर्मेंसेस करते हैं आप. बाकी तो यहाँ जो बहुत बड़े कलाकार हैं, प्राजक्ता, नेहा, आयशा, कुणाल, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग मी. इनके साथ बड़े लंबा समय रहा है एंड आई थिंक दैट यू नो ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम यू हैव मेड इट लुक सो गुड. 2 एपिसोड देख पाए हम लोग and I'll say this also, whenever I watch the episodes with him, bro, you've just come into your own in the last 6 months, 1 year. कुछ ऐसा हो गया है कि वर्कआउट भी परफेक्ट हो रहा है, रियल में ही एक्चुअली करवा पाता है. He's a brilliant father also. What has happened to you in the last 1 or 2 years? What are you doing? Giving everybody complex.
I have no idea. I think I've just kept doing what I do, and I think, like in theater, they say, you know, when the spotlight falls onto you, make sure you're entertaining. So I think the spotlight's kind of shifted on me, and I'm trying to do the best that I can.
Best? He's like a purple patch for a batsman. 50 मार रहा है तो फिर बोलेंगे यार nothing much is happening. And a lady who's busy 24/7, 365 days a year, has castles really over here and up there. Neha Dupia, thanks again for joining us.
Oh my God, I was like, who is he talking
When
about?
I
knew
you
it
see your
wasn't me.
Instagram, आज सुबह भी आप कुछ रन करके आए होगे. After this, and there's another one that's happening there. It's so good to see you, but acting a lot now.
Yeah.
You know, in the last, this is something that sometimes I feel, I don't know, is it neglected or doesn't happen as much as you choose? In the last 6 months, I'm seeing a lot more of that. Conscious?
Yeah, we just had Perfect Family that released. This is also not 6 months, na Salil?
Yeah,
It was
shooting.
almost
Yeah.
like, you know, after 3 years. So then Goreka's son was
Yeah,
born.
yeah.
After that, for almost 2.5 years, I was sitting at home.
Yeah.
And I did a Thursday when I was
Yeah.
like 8 months pregnant, and a very proud moment for me.
Yeah.
But uske baad, you know, there was a lot like going on, not going on, maybe little. But for me, like, my thing is, I need to also wake up and work almost every day. Like, I get so much gratification from just working and in the business that we're in. 2025, you have to do, that's my way of looking at it. You know, कम से कम 6 चीजें तो कर ही रहे हैं सब
Correct.
लोग. You know, podcast है तो साथ में you have your own IPs, you're trying to figure out, you know, advertising work, you're doing live events, and then you're doing the acting. But this is my love is this.
Yeah.
So for me, like जब मुझे phone आया, okay, Netflix is calling. So I feel no matter what the part is, they are not going to make any mistakes. Then you have Shashank who's going to make lesser mistakes, and then you have Samar and everyone else. So you already know it's the big ticket towards
And
doing
there's a
something
huge
good.
contrast with you and the family. This is what I really like. And in the family, I think you were just incredible as an alter. मतलब एक जो irritating बहन होती है, जो perfect रहती है. You know, I haven't seen Mismatch, by the way. I have to tell you right now. So when I saw this, I know all of them are fantastic performers. But I've known you as, you know, as a great YouTuber with such a large family. And as far as your following is concerned, मुझे लगता है कि sometimes you can use you for your star power.
Yeah.
But I have to say you have killed it.
Yeah.
You know,
Thank you.
for me, when I say the expectancy is great from everybody else, but I think you just shone through, yeah.
Yeah.
This was really, really brilliant. And
Thank
even I was reading, I read the reviews about you on Mismatch where they said, you know, she's warm and that character's fantastic and she comes into her own as far as the performance. I think now you're peaking. And this is what you wanted to do. Yeah, it's really
nice.
fantastic.
So
Yeah,
nice.
That's so true.
Yeah.
It
Thank
really
you.
was.
Yeah.
I don't know,
So
maybe
sweet, thank
I'm
you.
seeing it here, but I think you all who performed,
No,
they would
no,
have
no.
felt it much
Yes, I
more.
felt
Yeah,
it
yeah.
immediately with
बिल्कुल
her.
ना.
Immediately.
Do you feel now अभी हो गया है? अभी now
नहीं यार.
time to fly.
नहीं. No, I mean, honestly, मैं तो thank you so much, first of all, for saying that. It really means a lot to me. I've been very nervous all week because Friday aa raha hai and the
Correct.
show is going to come out, and I want to watch it as well. But at the same time, बहुत अलग है, बहुत नया है. I've not done something like that before. Comedy hai, which is in general a very tough space to be in, and to be in that space with the kind of cast that I get
And
to be
not
a part
slapstick.
of.
It's normal. That's the
हाँ,
best part. Yeah.
So I mean, this is very different from anything I've done before. So it makes me very happy that you have said this to me. Thank you so much.
But in your reels, one would think that you would be easiest at comedy. पर वैसे तो बड़ा easy होता है तुम्हारे लिए.
पर
ऐसा
वो
लगता है.
अलग है ना. I mean, एक तो है कि मैं अपने दिमाग में करके बना के कुछ कर लूं, फिर उसके बाद रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मेरी पूरी है.
Correct.
कि ठीक है, ये मेरा था, चला नहीं चला. When you are collaborating with artists, with writers, with makers, with creators who come from different places, who have worked on this far longer than you even got involved in the
Correct,
process.
correct.
तो वो collaboration भी हर बारी ठीक से हो जाना चाहिए ताकि whatever the vision is kind of comes through. So इसीलिए ऐसे टाइम पे थोड़ा और
नो रेस्ट इजी,
nerve wracking.
जितना हमने देखा है उतना ही बेस्ट है, मुझे लगता है बहुत
Good.
इट्स गोइंग टू फ्लाई। बट
Thank
एक ऐसे
you.
जनाब है, जब भी सर आज भी मुझे याद है, अगर आपकी कोई भी एक इमेज मेरे दिमाग में रहती है, जब आप वो पानी का ड्रॉप गिरता है और उसको ऐसे ऐसे कर रहे होते हो, यू आर वन ऑफ द मोस्ट रिकग्नाइजेबल फेसेस
Yeah.
भारत में अगर कहा जाए। कुछ एक अगर एक जेंटलमैन ने कब्जा कर लिया था सारे एड्स पर, वो आप थे। और मुझे लगता है कि द एफर्टलेस वे दैट यू आर एबल टू डू, यहाँ पे भी एक ड्रंकन सीन है जहाँ पे वो आ रहे होते, कोई हुआ नहीं है, बस मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट है इनका बड़ा। दैट्स व्हाट आई रियली लव अबाउट यू। आपका प्रोसेस क्या होता है सर? मैं तो कॉमेडी वैसे तो लोगों के लिए बड़ा मुश्किल होता है, टाइमिंग इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डू, बट आप इतनी आसानी से करते हो इन डिफरेंट डिफरेंट मीडियम्स आल्सो। प्रोसेस क्या है आपका सर?
प्रोसेस कुछ नहीं है यार, इट इज वेरी सिंपल। वो कहावत है ना कि करत करत अभ्यास के जड़मती हो सुजान। तो हमको यही सिखाया गया कि भाई आप
काम करते रहो।
करते रहिए, और और थोड़ा सा कॉन्शियस रहना बहुत जरूरी होता है। मैं यही कहूंगा कि आप करते हैं कुछ, आपको सक्सेस मिलता है तो आप दिमाग अपना जो है
ठंडा
वो खराब हुआ, उसमें थोड़ा ठंड रखनी चाहिए। और उसको ठीक है, आपको अच्छी लगती है, सक्सेस होती है तो आपको करके उसके बाद जो है मेरा प्रोसीजर है, फिर मैं उसको डिलीट कर देता हूँ। ये हो गया, इसमें से ये चीजें कुछ थी, ये थोड़ी सी एरिया है जहाँ इम्प्रूवमेंट की अभी भी जरूरत है, एंड उसका यही प्रोसेस है। और क्या प्रोसेस है? मतलब
ओवर एक्टिंग कैसे नहीं होती कई बार, यू नो इट इज वेरी फाइन लाइन। भारत में इसको भी अपलॉड किया जाता है हर चीज में, अच्छा you know, and this was fantastic. Everything was very normal in this, you know. The character that had perhaps the loudest expressions was Kunal, but बाकी सारे इतने normal. How do you stop that as your comedic balance?
अब इसको क्या कहेंगे कि मेरा एक तो ये है कि मानना ये है कि लाउड और सटल ऐसा कुछ बहुत ज्यादा होता नहीं है। आपका कन्विक्शन होना चाहिए।
ऑनेस्टी।
अगर आपका कन्विक्शन है तो आप जो भी कर रहे हैं वो आपको कनेक्ट करेगा, है ना। अब उसको सेटल कर दो। अभी क्या बीमारी चल गई बहुत साल से किसी के सटल। अब सटल के लिए जो लोग एग्जांपल देते हैं कि भाई अपने इरफान साहब थे बड़े से, उनका अंदर का अभ्यास वो किसी ने नहीं देखा कि अंदर क्या अभ्यास है। जो पूरी जो निचोड़ है वो यहाँ है। अगर जब आप वो कर लोगे तो फिर आपको बाहर कुछ करना नहीं पड़ेगा। लेकिन लोगों ने वो तो करा नहीं, वो कर लिया तो वो फ्लैट होने लग गया। फैशन चल गया था ना, यार आदमी बस फ्लैट बोल रहा है। अंडर प्ले क्या होता है? वो अंदर चाहिए, माल चाहिए अंदर। फिर अंडर करो, ओवर करो, वो फिर वो कन्वे हो जाएगा। दैट इज दी थिंग।
ये अभ्यास नाम जो
और
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट
अभ्यास, कोई भी चीज होती है उसको आप अभ्यास करते हैं तभी। अभ्यास, कोई भी इंस्ट्रूमेंटलिस्ट होता है या कोई संगीतकार होता है या कोई भी, वो उठ के 4 घंटा अभ्यास करता है ना अपने इंस्ट्रूमेंट के साथ। उसको टन 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 टोन करता है, टन 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 टुडुंग 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 टुडुंग, है ना। और फिर उसका लगता है 4 घंटे 6 घंटे। एक्टर क्या करता है? कुछ नहीं करता है ना। हाँ, जब स्क्रिप्ट मिलती है
तजुर्बा है उसका,
हाँ वो तो करता है, लेकिन वो करना चाहिए। आप चाहे भले ही एक अच्छी किताब पढ़े, अपनी उस पर काम करें, वो करते रहना पड़ता है। ऐसा नहीं होता कि वो क्लासिकल सिंगर एक बार बन गया तो फिर वो छोड़ दिया उसने सब कुछ, उसे करते ही रहना पड़ता है। जैसे हम लोग गैराज चलाते थे जब,
जी
मेरे फादर का गैराज था दिल्ली के अंदर, तो वो टूल्स और चाबी और पेचकस, वो बोलते थे करत की विद्या बेटा, जब तक करते रहोगे तो ये तुम्हारे हाथ में रहेंगे और तुम्हारी फ्लुएंसी रहेगी। तुम अगर 2 महीना नहीं करोगे, सोचो तुम तो वो आपको आपका नहीं चलेगा,
रस्ट हो
जाएगा। तो दैट इज दी, आई थिंक, मुझे जो जितना समझ में आया कि वो है कि आप अभ्यास करते रहें।
इट्स नॉट जस्ट फॉर एक्टिंग आल्सो। सर ने इतने सिंगिंग की बात की है, भारत एक शोज का एक बड़ा एक जगह बन चुकी है। It's for a lot of singers out there also. When you represent India also, you really have to make sure कि अभ्यास बहुत जरूरी है। एक अलग जगह होती है जहाँ पे फैन फॉलोइंग अलग रहती है और अभ्यास बहुत जरूरी होता है। और अगर अभ्यास की बात कर रहे हैं, this lady, I feel, you know, I have such respect for you. You have gone step by step, step by step. A lot of people take the elevator, a lot of people take the escalator. आपने सीढ़ियाँ ली हैं यार, but you have rocked it. There is not a single frame in the last many years. You know, you're one of those dependable, वो होती है ना, एक स्तंभ होती है ना जिसके ऊपर सब चीज आ जाती है। You deserve all your success also. And
Thank
I've
you so much.
seen you for so many years.
Yeah, we've known each other a long
And
time.
as a result of that, I've seen कि एक चीज तब भी performance voice overs में ना इनकी performance इतनी अच्छी रहती थी as a performer. उसके बाद screen में it was like मक्खन. It came as मक्खन. So congratulations to
Thank
this.
you.
मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे इतने सालों बाद सबसे मिल रहा हूँ ना.
हाँ.
And I'm feeling like such a proud
Yeah, I'm so
person.
happy to see you.
But it's true.
Yeah,
It's
I'm
really
so happy
true.
to see you.
You've come into your own, यार. But अभी भी ये रहता है ना कि I'm looking for those parts, the strongest parts I want, and I want to do this. Tell me that zone the last 3-4 years. for
I
you.
think as an actor, you're always hungry for good parts, and I don't think a good part is defined by the length of the part.
Correct.
I think it's defined by what you get to do. So whether it's maybe you're there in the whole film, but you have only one scene to prove your mettle. I think as an actor, you have to grab those opportunities. You have to look at the scene and say, what can I do with this? And sometimes as character actors, you don't always get meaty
Correct.
scenes and meaty parts, but if you play them with utmost honesty and conviction, and if you've committed to the project, then you can't be like, अच्छा मुझे तो पीछे खड़ा कर दिया, मुझे तो ताली बजानी. आप वो भी मेरे साथ एक फिल्म में ऐसा हुआ था, just one instance where this director was a friend of mine, and he kind of was desperate to cast the parents of one of the leads. And बहुत छोटे रोल थे, तो they just gotten somebody ऐसे के लिए आए थे, and he said कि यार उसमें कोई dialogue नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, there's one scene में एक line है, but will you do it? I'm really desperate. And he was a very close friend. I said, I have no problem. मैं चली गई दिल्ली, अच्छा होटल, everything was great. I was like, हाँ मैं तुम्हें अच्छे होटल में रखूंगा, ये वो. मैंने कहा चलो भैया करते. And I did the film. There was one scene where I stand there and I make chai and I ask the girl, are you happy with your choice? And she says, yeah. And that's it. That was my scene. Otherwise, I'm just standing in the background in the whole movie. And I didn't think much of it. The film came, the film went. I didn't bother. And I have been actually like stopped, when people come and say, we've seen this of yours, seen that of yours. And there are a few givens. Okay, they'll talk about this film, that film. The amount of people that have talked about that one scene.
Wow, nice.
And I was like
I'm so
really
intrigued to
happy
ask
with
which one.
that because I thought that, okay, so I still was honest with that scene.
Correct,
I didn't take it lightly. So for me, those are my achievements. Not कि मैंने ये part कर दिया, उसमें मैं रो ली, वो भी अच्छा लगता है कि आपने कुछ अच्छा किया. But अगर आपने वो एक scene भी दिल से किया और वो किसी random आदमी ने वो एक scene में आपको बोल दिया कि वो scene आपका अच्छा था.
Correct.
And I called up my director. I said, you can't believe I got stopped at the airport for that scene. And he was like, मैं तो कह ही रहा था. I was like, ठीक है. But वो आपकी achievement है कि एक scene भी किया लेकिन किया मन से. तो now I just feel कि जो आता है आने दो.
वो off camera मुझे बताना picture कौन सी.
हाँ बता.
100%.
हाँ.
This gentleman is exactly like that. जो भी आप करते हो यार, it's like full शिद्दत के साथ.
Yeah.
You know, and I feel now that you have become such a past master, a direction भी तो बड़ा आसान है आपके लिए. Everything, यार, bro.
Brilliant.
और you are a child prodigy. बचपन से he was like this also.
Yeah.
And I remember when he did long time back जब Khemu was a young boy with long hair, तब भी आपकी dedication and attention to detail was very strong. Shashank is also somebody who's always very prepared about everything. Everything has to be totally prepared. Your chemistry with him, tell me about that, because I know you've got great chemistry with your directors always.
Yeah. No, it was great. In fact, Shashank and I have been talking to each other for a very long time, trying to find something to do. And right from his first film, and I remember when he saw Loot Case, he called me, he said, I really want to do something in the comic space with you, this, that, and the other. And randomly out of the blue, this kind of came about. And I think it's also because I've known him, and he also, I think, trusted me blindly, and I trusted him blindly. And वो हमारा ना ज़्यादा discussion ऐसा नहीं हुआ इसको ऐसा करें. It just seemed we were in sync.
Correct.
I was kind of getting from the show what I thought he wanted this character to be. He pretended, or he actually wanted that thing to be the way it is, and he gave me a free hand, and he said, just be this. And I honestly, on set, I feel like if the director is happy with what I've done, then that's that. I don't need to be happy. The director needs to be happy. So
sometimes you put your director cap on, also not tell anybody.
No, so
but on your own inside, are you thinking?
No. So that's I said this earlier. Yes, until I made my own film, that would happen. But I think I've found that outlet now. Now I get to do that on my own films that I write and I make. So now I am pretty much a director's,
Nice.
Actor to work with. Of course, if I feel something creatively is, sometimes directors also are not 100%. They're not having the best day, and sometimes they also get stuck. So I'm very happy to be the bouncing board. Or if instinctively I feel like you think this will work? If it works for him, yes. If it doesn't, no, it's not like, oh, I think this is better. No. In fact, on this, I was very careful, and especially after making a film, I do not want to go to a set where I bring these other hats on, because I am primarily an actor, and I've been taken on this job as an actor, and that's all that I've done. So even when it came to improvising lines or you know, like blocking a scene, I have not kind of said anything.
That's nice, man. Where it works, but also you also trust. Also, I think trust factor बहुत ज़्यादा है. And I think Neha, you've seen every single phase, yeah. You know, Neha's the kind of person जो उनके statements भी forever internet की वजह से will stay forever. You know, अमल है इनके statements. And I think, yeah, it's true. You've actually seen every single phase. और एक और भी बात बताता हूँ, नेहा को तो मैं हम तब से देख रहे जब हम लोग छोटे एक्स्ट्रास होते थे एड्स में दिल्ली में, और ये मेन हीरोइन आती थी ऑलवेज, है ना? हम लोग पहले शूट कर रहे होते थे, ये बाद में पहले आती थी. This phase that you're seeing now.
I remember this ad.
Yeah, now we're doing, you're in another phase of your acting career also. Are you just going to look at powerful roles, or do you also now want to get back into doing absolute leads in the conventional way, which you've done?
Sal, honestly, it's not like, you know, there are offers, it's not raining offers. So it's not like, oh, this is what I want to do, this is what I don't want to do. I mean, I have to see the whole package. Do I believe in the concept? Sometimes the package is that out of the 6 things or 10 things that I want, as long as it's above average, so if it's, even if it's like 6 yeses, it's fine for me.
Why don't you produce your own film?
It's not the
You've
right
not thought about
market
it? Yeah?
to enter as a producer, I feel. Nobody knows right now when it comes to the business as to where it's headed, what's going on. Everyone's predictions, even experts are going wrong. So, I mean, I don't want to enter in this climate. If I had to, I should have entered before, or then wait it out to see.
But it's something that आप सोच रहे हो, eventually कभी ना कभी हो सकता है.
I think between my contacts, between my connections, between the time spent in the business, between my understanding, my financial understanding in life, I have the ability and the aptitude to do it. Do I want to do it right now? I actually kind of succumb to being hired as an actor / the multiple other things I do, because I also want to fit into that mold of convenience, because everywhere else in life, you know, with 2 young children, I don't want to be so absent. As a producer, you have to be so absent from your personal life. And I feel like right now is not the right time, because I've got my hands full.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not that I have off days. I don't touch wood, knock on wood. That's what, you know, I remember speaking, I did 3 films back to back, long time ago with Saurabh Shukla. And my learning or my takeaway from it was, he's like, हम इस शहर में ना काम करने आए हैं. हमको जब तक काम मिलता रहे ना, there's no bigger blessing. और जब काम में आपको choices मिल जाएं, then तो सोने पे सुहागा. So I'm there, I'm working like, you know, 4 to 5 days out of 7, like, you know, in a week, and it's great. And then there are lulls also. But those lulls are very important to, if I was constantly working, I wouldn't be able to appreciate. And then somewhere it would creep in कि नहीं, ये तो मेरे को रोज काम मिल रहा है. Those lulls somewhere ना correct you emotionally, personally, professionally, and then उसके बाद जब फिर से फोन बजता है ना,
तो meter down.
तो फिर नहीं meter down नहीं, but फिर you go back with the but like I know what he is saying.
Of course, अक्षय सर से ये मुझे पता है ना, भाई मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, meter down हो गया, आज का मेरा हो गया. That's the way it works. And I think it's a great thing. Also, it's incredible to be so busy also. मैं बता रहा हूँ, ये मार्केट बड़ा मुश्किल है. अगर आप बहुत बिजी हो, it's fantastic. लोग तो परसेप्शन बनाते होते हैं बिजी का. ये सारे लोग एक्चुअली बहुत बिजी हैं. कि जानने की बहुत जरूरत है.
As are you.
But वो तो बात की बात है. हम तो फ्री में बिजी होते हैं. तो you have made the transition, which most YouTubers haven't been able to do. In spite, I'll say this, I used to hate filmmakers that used to take them for their fan following, for their fandom. And आज भी ये होता है. और क्या रोल देते थे? You have cracked that. You know, it's worked in a very good way. And I know you take very conscious decision also. But were you very mindful of that also कि भाई, just because मैं एक बहुत successful YouTuber हूँ, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मुझे as an actor भी उतना ही you know, चढ़ा के on a pedestal लेके आएंगे. I'll have to start from scratch, start on the lower part. That part was there.
I don't think I had a choice of deciding that for myself, because I was very aware that I'm going into very new territory. I also think that the transition for me has actually been the way that it is because of the people who gave me those opportunities. जब मैं आकाश से पहली बारी मिली थी, he had never watched anything of mine on YouTube.
Really?
Panchami sent him my audition tape. And that's
One second, आपके following भेजी नहीं की थी, because ये सबको यही लगता है.
Akash didn't know.
he didn't know that
आकर्ष
you
को
have these.
पंचमी ने बताया था,
Wow.
like he knew of me,
Yeah,
but he
yeah.
had not watched
Correct.
all of this. When Akash spoke to Netflix, also this was a conversation that happened, and I feel very happy that I get to be in the space where I can proudly say that every job for acting that I've gotten through an audition, because अगर वो दूसरा वाला सही होता ना, तो फिर I would have gotten every audition, like I would have
आपके
gotten
ऊपर
every
फिल्म
job
बन रही
I
होती।
auditioned for.
हाँ,
हाँ,
No, but
अगर
I mean, even with her, like I know that a lot of YouTubers are cast, and I've worked with quite, I
Yes.
mean, whatever influencers, and with her, I tell you, I had not seen. I'll be very honest.
Yeah.
I had not seen anything she's done. I mean, मेरे उसमें नहीं था. But somebody said her name, and I just knew the name. I
Yes.
said, ha, and I just had heard good things. So there was a lot of positivity around her name and the buzz around her. But believe you me, if I had not known and she'd walked onto the set, I could not have said that she's an influencer, then thereby turning actor. I would have just said she's an actor.
Correct.
You know, so I think that is her quality.
Yeah.
That is that she
Because she's
commits
she-
wholeheartedly to the acting process. She's not bringing her influencer persona.
No, and
onto
she's
the
an
set.
actual influencer. बाकी सारे wannabe influencer. ये तो actually है.
नहीं,
फर्क
I'm
है।
saying आप wannabe हो जो हो वो आपका काम है. इन्फ्लुएंसर एक दूसरी चीज है, एक्टर एक दूसरी चीज है. एंड दे आर नॉट, आई कांट बी एन इन्फ्लुएंसर, मेरे अंदर वो स्किल सेट नहीं है, लेकिन इसके अंदर दोनों का है. एंड आई फील दैट जेन्युइनली व्हेन शी ब्रिंग्स हर एक्टिंग गेम, शी इज प्योरली एन एक्टर. शी डजंट कैरी anything else onto the set, and she is so receptive and so like there to learn and there to interact. So I think it was a real pleasure. Like she was one of
Wow.
the, it's real pleasure to work with her. Honestly.
High praise and also shows the camaraderie on the sets. सर आपको इंटरेस्ट करता है कई बार पूरा सोशल मीडिया वर्ल्ड, बिकॉज ये सारे जो है दे आर ऑल महारथीज विद देयर फॉलोइंग एंड यू नो ऑल दैट, और उससे बहुत नहीं, बट आई टेल यू व्हाट, यू आर इन द सिस्टम एज वेल आल्सो, सो इट वर्क्स वेल देयर आल्सो. बट क्या ये एक गैप है जो आप भरना चाहते हो? आप बहुत
नहीं,
नहीं?
मैं कॉन्शियसली इससे
नहीं।
दूर हूँ, और मुझे उसकी I mean, मैं जो कर रहे हैं वो लोगों को गलत नहीं बोलता हूँ, या
Exactly,
कोई वो उनका है. मेरा ये मानना है कि मेरी ट्रेनिंग जो है वो एज एन एक्टर हुई है,
जी.
और मैं वो एक चीज है, जैसे बहुत सारे लोग, जब सीमा जी ने फिल्म डायरेक्ट की थी, बहुत सारे लोगों ने कहा आप भी कीजिए, या उससे पहले भी हम लोग करते थे बहुत साल पहले. जस्ट मोहब्बत,
जी.
रिया टोनी का
Of
सीरीज
course.
था, तो वो सेटअप किया था तिग्मांशु धुलिया ने. उसके बाद क्या हुआ, टोनी ने डायरेक्ट करने शुरू किए. फिर ऐसा हुआ कि रवि बसवानी कभी 10 एपिसोड 12 एपिसोड करते थे. इरफान ने कुछ 10-12 एपिसोड शूट किए. तो टोनी मेरे को बोलता था कि आप इतना इम्प्रोवाइज करते हैं, आप बताते रहते हैं, आप कुछ एपिसोड्स डायरेक्ट करेंगे. मैंने कहा नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं करूंगा,
अच्छा.
क्योंकि एज एन एक्टर 10 दिन मेरे को देने पड़ते हैं. अब मैं अगर डायरेक्शन में आ जाऊंगा तो मेरे बाकी 20 दिन भी चले जाएंगे. पहले 10 दिन स्क्रिप्ट पे बैठूंगा, फिर उससे पहले एडिटिंग पे बैठूंगा. मैंने कहा मैं इतना लाइफ में काम मैनेज नहीं कर पाऊंगा.
Nice.
मैं एज एन एक्टर काम करना चाहता हूँ, और एक चीज है, पहले उसको ही ढंग से कर लूं. मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि एक चीज है, उसको ढंग से कर लो, अच्छे से कर लो, उसको अच्छे से सीख लो. तो और वो भी ये भी होता है कि यार
मन नहीं करता ऐसे फोटो लेके डालने का? हाय.
नहीं कभी
होता?
मैंने, मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगता वो. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. कुछ कि मैं अगर पेरिस में घूम रहा हूँ, आई एम इन पेरिस, व्हाई, या आई एम ईटिंग इन दिस रेस्टोरेंट, व्हाई पीपल शुड नो. मतलब मैं
नहीं सही है सर.
बिल्कुल
बहुत
सही बात,
ऑनेस्टली
मैं
बोल
तो-
रहा हूँ कि व्हाई शुड आई
आपने इनके वर्कआउट वीडियो देखे?
नहीं, मैंने नहीं.
इनके नहीं देखे?
नहीं, मैं हुई नहीं ना.
अच्छा.
मैं किसी
He's not on
सोशल
any
मीडिया में
social
हूँ.
Wow.
नो सोशल मीडिया.
ब्यूटीफुल.
एक व्हाट्सएप रखा हुआ है, वो परिवार
सर
के लिए.
व्हाट्सएप तो बहुत जरूरी है सर.
नहीं, हाँ, वो शूटिंग पे भी होते हैं, तो शेड्यूल आ गया, ये आ गया, मैसेज आ गया.
नहीं तो वो भी नहीं रखते आप?
नहीं, वो भी नहीं रखते. मेरे को वो फोन देखिए आप, सुबह से
Wow.
किसी ने देखा मैंने फोन को हाथ लगाया?
No.
फोन
This-
अपना
नहीं,
मतलब ही नहीं है फोन का.
There's a real generation gap also here also, and also mindset
हाँ.
gap also, which is fantastic.
ये बोलते हैं बहुत सारे लोग, मैनेजर बोलते हैं, मेरे बच्चे बोलते हैं, मैनेजर बोलते हैं कि बहुत पैसे कमा लो, रील बनाओ, आपको एक प्रोडक्ट, एक घड़ी, एक टी शर्ट पहन के. मैंने नहीं चाहिए यार. वो मेरा
हर एक
अपना
का
लाइफ
अपना
का
है.
अपना,
हाँ,
हाँ,
exactly.
मेरे को थोड़ा,
It's a very personal
अगर
thing.
10 दिन फ्री मिले हैं तो मैं फ्री बैठूं सोफे पे, कच्चा बनियान पहन के, कुत्ते के साथ, वो 10 दिन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है
Enjoy.
मेरे लिए.
Enjoy.
हाँ, मतलब मेरा
Enjoy.
डॉगी है, मैं हूँ, और बस कुछ नहीं है. टीवी चल रहा है,
15 दिन
कुछ
नेहा
खाने को
नेहा
बन
के
रहा
साथ एक मास्टर क्लास ले लो सर, नेहा दूंगा.
है. नेहा
सर,
नहीं, ये खाली नहीं, इसका बाद चले तो महीने में 45 दिन काम करेंगे. ये तो
सर
अभी
पहले
थोड़ा
The
है,
vision,
थोड़ा-
the
थोड़ा-
vision
थोड़ा-
of me and my
45 days.
kacha and a doggy. What are you saying?
Not
No,
like
no,
that.
I am telling you.
How to use
Oh,
अरे यार
edit.
नहीं, तेरा वो
but
I'm
I love it
dying.
guys thank you so much for joining
Thank
us
you, Salil.
the
Thank you.
camaraderie the talent is incredible over here there's so much to learn from so many people I could do an hour interview with each person but like I said there's a progression also and you know sir may not be online but the others have followed the journeys and I think बहुत अच्छी satisfaction मिल जाती है जब कोई ऐसे जा रहा होता है और ऐसे पहुंच जाता है a lot of people go up like that and come down and it's how you actually take that journey in this really difficult world of the media yaar it's very difficult to navigate so great respect for all of you all
Thank you.
single papa it is of course we spoke nothing about the papa part because they're all papas and all देख सकते हैं दूध यहाँ पे टेबल पर है टच भी नहीं किया किसी ने टच भी नहीं किया है take care and see you guys soon bye bye
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.